shows it.
What's going on YouTube? What's going on Pinky Squad? Mr. Catwoman here, the MCLOCS. I'm back again with another video. And yes, today's video is a little bit different. I am actually going to do a first impressions of a product that I bought a few weeks ago right after my last retwist. It's called, as you can see there, Jata Loc-N-Gel. It's from the House of Jata. And then the website's down there below. As a matter of fact, I'll make sure to put a link in the description so you guys will have easier access to the site if you decide to order this. I did have to pay for this. I am not sponsored by this company or whatnot. So this product was talked about by DaRealTarranceeR, another lock YouTuber. He's pretty much swears by it. I believe he's about 2 to 3 months into the lock game. And he said this has done wonders with his lock journey. It's all natural products, which I like to hear. As you can see there, it's pure aloe, honey, vitamin E, and tea tree oil. What really attracted me to this was the tea tree oil. The tea tree oil, I've actually been using tea tree oil in my homemade spray that I use in my hair because of my dandruff, because the tea tree oil really fights the fungus that creates the dandruff in your scalp and whatnot. So you know what, might as well go ahead and try that. Got a conditioner with tea tree oil and whatnot, might as well go ahead and try this. Also, another reason for trying this is because the Toya Tighten Hold I have been using. When it's used in my hair, I don't know how to really explain it. It feels like it makes my hair really crispy. I don't like that feeling of it being crispy because it feels like it's going to break or snap. So this gel should not do what Toya Tighten Hold does. It should do the tighten hold, but not the feels like it's going to snap part. So anyways, you know what? I'll go ahead and open up the jar so that we can see what's inside, what it looks like and whatnot. And here it is. As you can see, it really moves around. Looks a little slimy, but it's probably not. Go ahead and do not a taste test, but a feel test. Dip it in. Look at that, it's pretty clear. It's not chunky or anything like that. It's pretty clear and smooth. Let's go ahead and rub it up a little. Feels pretty good. Feels like my hair will actually like this. And you know what, let me go ahead and do a quick smell test. Oh yeah, it smells really good. I can't even explain the smell. It smells like a newborn baby, I guess you can call it. So yeah, I'm excited to try this out. I'll be trying this out pretty soon on my next retwist. So my next video after this one should be my retwist video with this product that I'm talking about today. So yeah, I believe the owner of the company is Miss Toya. Miss Toya. I'm sorry, I do apologize. It's been a long day. She is the owner, a loctician. I believe she's a master loctician also, and does a lot of stuff out of Georgia. So there's her card again. I'll show it to you there. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and end the video here. As always, make sure you guys do not like the video. Go down to the comment section and put the hashtag Pinky Squad so that and then I'll reply with the hashtag Pinkies Out. Also, subscribe and hit that notification bell button because these videos are coming out monthly. This is an oddball video, so I'm gonna actually end up with about 3 or 4 videos this month, which is really weird for me, but I do promise to put out 1 lock video a month, which is usually my month update, my month anniversary, I guess you could say. So anyways, thanks guys, thanks for watching. And always remember, Pinkies out people, Pinkies out.